G'day everyone, it's Woody, and that's Woody too. Double Woodies. Hey look, I've been around long enough to know what it's like to try and get everyone in the same place at the same time for a safety meeting or a toolbox talk. So that's why in May and June this year we decided to double down on safety. Look, I know things are pretty tough at the moment, so it's our way of trying to help you guys out and also to keep the safety message alive. So for the month of May and June this year, if you invite me or one of my team out to share their story at your workplace, you'll get 2 presentations for the price of 1. So that means you can stagger the talks to keep production going, or you can have a talk in the morning for your day shift teams and then another one later on if you've got afternoon or night shift crews. So let's double down on safety, double down on Woody. 2 presentations for the price of 1, just during the month of May and June this year. Give me a call and we'll see if we can fit you in. I'm Woody. Stay safe, everyone.